everyone, welcome to lesson 124. Number 1. Wendy went to the beauty salon. It took 35 minutes to get a haircut and 40 minutes to get a manicure. How long was Wendy at the beauty salon? Write your answer in hours and minutes. Alright, so we know that it took 35 minutes to get her haircut, 35, and 40 minutes to get a manicure. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put these together because that equals the total amount of time that she was at the salon. So I'm going to add 40 plus 35, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she was at the beauty salon for a total of 75 minutes. But it says they want us to write our answer in hours and minutes. So it's going to have to look like this. So I have to write the time out. Alright, so a total of 75 minutes. I know that 60 minutes equal 1 hour. So let's see. I could take away 75. I'll take away 60 because this is our 1 hour. So there's definitely an hour there. And we have to find out what's the remainder of our time. What's the remaining minutes? So 60, and I put the hour there. So 75 take away 60. So take 5. 7 take away 7 take away 6 is 1. 15. So she was at the beauty salon for an hour and 15 minutes. Number 2. 702 take away 234. 3. Write the number 9 as a fraction. So remember, this is from a previous lesson. 9 is equal to 9 over 1. Choose a picture that shows 32 as 8 times 4. 32 is our total, and we need an array 8 times 4, and it's in an array. So let's see, there's 2 rows here, so I don't see 2 represented in my equation. Let's see, does this have 4 in each row? I should have 8 rows and 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. So this is 8 times 4, which equals 32. So it'd be this picture. 5, 57 plus 23. 6, round 37 to the nearest 10. I'm looking at this number here. This is the one that's going to change. Either it's going to be 30 or 40. And it depends on my ones place. If it's 5 or greater than 5, we round up. And the 7 is greater than 5, so we round up, which will equal 40. 7. Turn to page 298 of your hands-on pages. Measure pencils D, E, G, H, and K to the nearest quarter inch. This line plot starts at the 4-inch mark. Use X's to add the data. If you have a ruler, go ahead and do this problem. If not, you can skip it. 8. Draw along the dotted lines to divide the hexagon. Shade in one part. What fraction is shaded? So I'm going to draw along the dotted lines. Here and here. Shade in one part. Total of 1 part is shaded, and there's a total of 4. 1/4. 9. Fill in the missing factor. 4 times blank equals 24. 24. Inverse operation. I'll flip it around. Divided by 4 equals blank. 10. The perimeter of the square is 20 meters. What is the length of each side, of each missing side? So if it is a square, all sides are equal. So it would be 5 meters, 5 meters. 11. 50 times 5. Multiply the 2 5s and then add the 0. 12. 5 times 6 times 9. Using the associative property, you can multiply 5 times 6 first. What is the other multiplication problem you can start with? So they're saying I could do 5 times 6 first, or what's the other thing I could start with? I could start with 6 and 9. So that's just what they're asking for. 13. Give the bar graph a title. Number the bar graph by ones. So the title is Birds Spotted by Tara in May. Okay. Maybe I could put how many birds. How many seen in May, or it depends on what you want to give the title. No answer is really wrong. Label it by ones. This would be 0, so you start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a bar graph. Fill in the bar graph to match the data in the tally. A bobolink bird has 5, 6, 7, 8. So a total of 8. Be up here, my bar graph, fill it in. Then I would do the rest with the other types of birds. 15. How many more bobolinks did Tara spot than ravens? So she had 8, and then ravens was 1, 2, 3, 4. So I take away, because it says how many more, I'm going to do take away 8, take away 4, which equals 4. So there were 4 more bobolinks than ravens. That's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know.